Fine, good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. I hope by God's grace you all are safe. So pray to God daily, students, for your health, your studies, your food, your parents, each and everything. Okay students, so warm greetings to you all. Welcome to our today's online class students. So now we are studying about chapter 4, algorithmic strategies. Okay, so in this chapter only one more topic is left. Okay, so within 5 minutes I'll complete that topic also. So students, please take your textbooks in your hand and also please take your computer notebook, or otherwise please take either a piece of paper, pen or pencil. Okay, and sit in a place and please watch the class daily. Okay, so because today you are going to mark the question answers for this chapter 4. Okay, so this chapter onwards I'll mark and give question answers for each and everything. Okay students, okay. So what's the last topic means Fibonacci series. Okay, so already you have studied in the last year itself Fibonacci. What do you mean by Fibonacci series? So Fibonacci series means normally it will add the previous numbers. For example, 10 numbers you are giving means, so how it will get the answer means it will add previous, for example 0, 1 means it will 0 plus 1 and it will produce an answer for next one. Then next 2 numbers it will produce an answer. Likewise, previous 2 numbers it will add and it will create one answer. That is called Fibonacci series. Okay, so here also you are going to create one Fibonacci series. So here initially they are telling, so initially you need 2 numbers. So if you are adding 2 numbers only, you can able to get one answer. So initially you are going to take 2 numbers. Okay, so that 2 numbers they are taking as Fibo 0 and Fibo of 1. That means that for your identification they are telling Fib, that is Fibonacci series. First number is 0 and second number is what? 1. How many numbers they are taking? Initially 2 numbers. Initially you need 2 numbers, isn't it? What are the numbers? 0 and 1. So for your identification they are giving the numbers Fibo of 0 and Fibo of 1. Okay, so what's the initial value of Fibo 0? They are giving Fibo of 0 means the initial value they are giving as 0 and the value of Fibonacci series of 1 they are giving 1. Okay, so what's the initial value? 0 and 1. Okay, so what's the conditions already? So how you will get the answer? Always it will add the previous 2 numbers, isn't it? Okay, so what's the formula means? If you need to get the particular answer mean, you need to add the previous 2 numbers. For example, listen carefully. N, if you need to get the answer n means you need to add how many numbers? Previous 2 numbers. That is previous 2 numbers means n minus 1 and n minus 2. Understood? Okay, if you need to get one answer means you need to add the previous 2 numbers. What are the 2 numbers? That is n minus 1. If you are getting the answer n means you should add what are the 2 previous numbers, n minus 1 and n minus 2. Understood? See this example, then only you will get understand. Okay, so here you are going to create a value, 8 value Fibonacci series. How many Fibonacci value series? 8. Okay, for that giving, listen, n Fibonacci series of n, that is 8 value. So what's the initial value you have taken? 0 and 1. What's the initial value? See the first 2 numbers alone. Now don't see the next numbers. First 2 numbers alone you see. 0 and 1. How you need to get the answer? Always you need to add the previous 2 numbers. So what's the number 2 numbers? 0 and 1. That now add it. 0 plus 1. What answer you will get? 1. So what's the answer you will get? 1. So next you add next 2 numbers. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. What answer you will get? 2. Next you add 2 numbers. 1 plus 2. What's the answer? 3. Next 2 plus 3. 5. Next you add 5 plus 3, 8. Next you add 8 plus 5, 13. So understood how you need to add? So 2 numbers, that is previous 2 numbers you need to add. So 0 plus 1 means answer you will get 1. Next 1 plus 1, 2. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So understood how you need to get the answer? How you need to calculate this Fibonacci series? Yes. So same thing, now you are going to write as an algorithmic manner. Okay, same Fibonacci series now you are going to write in a which manner? Algorithmic manner. Okay, so how you will write algorithm? Just a procedure, that is step by step. Same thing only you are going to write as a step by step. Okay, listen. So initially you need to set how many values? 2 values. Okay, so 2 values means always you should give F0 and F1. So initial value of F0 is 0 and F1 is 1. Okay, so first you are going to step 1. Write the step 1. So first you have initial is the value of F0 and F1 is 0 and 1. Next in the step 1 you are going to print the initial values. So now you are going to print, what's the initial value now? 0 and 1. So first you are going to print the initial value 0 and 1. Next you are going to calculate what? Fibonacci series. How you will get the Fibonacci series? So adding the two numbers. What are the two numbers? 0 and 1. So F0 plus F1. Okay. Next, you are going to assign the value of F1 to F0. Okay, because previous numbers. So value of F1 you are going to assign F0, and F0 you are going to assign the value as Fibonacci. Understood? Okay. So how you need to calculate then? Print the next consecutive value. Next consecutive means after adding you will get one value, no? That two values. The next two values. That's the next consecutive values you need to print and store the answer in which one? Fib. Okay. So this step will continue till you are getting the particular number of stamps. Understood? So in this example they are going to create 10 digits. Okay. So last example you have studied about 8 digits. But here they are going to generate how many? 10 digits. Okay. See this example, what's the initial value? 0 and 1. So 0 plus 1, what's the value? 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 plus 5, 8. Then 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 13, 34. Then 34 plus 21, you will get the answer 55. So total how many values are there? 10 values. Understood? Okay, only this topic alone left in this chapter. So today you have studied this Fibonacci series also. Okay. So now all of you take your textbooks in your hand. Now you can mark the question answer. Okay, students. Okay, students. So take page number 43 in your textbook. Okay. So take page number 43 in your textbook. Okay. So now mark the question answer. First mark the one word question answer. Okay. First question answer is option C, algorithm. First question answer is option C, algorithm. Then second question answer is option D, selection sort. Selection sort. Then third question answer is option C, time and space. Third question answer is option C, time and space. Then fourth question answer is option A, O of N. Fourth question answer is option A, O of N. Then fifth question answer is option C, merge sort. Fifth question answer is option C, merge sort. Then sixth question answer is option B, selection sort. Sixth question answer is option B, selection sort. Seventh question answer is option A, theta of N. Seventh question answer is option A, theta of N. Then eighth question answer is option B, average case. Eighth question answer is option B, average case. Then ninth question answer is option C, overlapping subproblems. Ninth question answer is option A, overlapping subproblems. Then 10th question answer is option C, memotion. Okay. So once more I am repeating the answer for one more question. So first question answer is option C, algorithm. Second question answer is option D, selection sort. Third question answer is option C, time and space. Fourth question answer is option A, O of N. Fifth question answer is option C, merge sort. Then sixth question answer is option B, selection sort. Seventh question answer is option A, theta of N. Eighth question answer is option B, average case. Then ninth question answer is option A, overlapping subproblems. 10th question answer is memotion. Okay. Then two more questions. So first question, write page number 31. First question alone you need to mark in the book. Remaining all 2, 3, 4 and 5 you need to write in your notebook or take a piece of paper and write it. Okay students, because that exact answer they have not given in your textbook. So you should write in your notebook or take a piece of paper and write. Okay. So first question answer is in page number 31. That I will mark and give. So remaining students, so either take piece of paper or take a notebook and write it. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So please write the answer to students. Second question. Define pseudocode. Write first pseudocode. So define pseudocode. Pseudocode is a mix of programming language that constructs and plain English. Second, it is annotation similar to programming language. Then algorithms expressed in pseudocode are not intended to be executed by computer but for communication among people. Okay, write fast. So write fast, students. Completed first question. Pseudocode is a mix of programming language that constructs and plain English. It is annotation similar to programming language. So algorithms expressed in pseudocode are not intended to be executed by computer but for communication among people. Completed. This is completed this question. Write the second question. Okay. Who is an algorist? These are all very important questions. Okay. So this chapter, all the 5 2-mark questions are very important. Those who are completed this question, write the third question. Who is an algorist? Persons skilled in the design of algorithms are called algorist. Okay. So next one, an algorithmic artist. Write fast. Completed, students? Completed second and third question? So those who completed the second and third question, write the fourth question. Okay. What is sorting? Fourth question, what is sorting? Sorting is a method of arranging group of items in ascending or descending order. Okay. Various sorting techniques are bubble sort, quick sort, selection sort and insertion sort. Write fast. So this are all very important 2-mark questions, students. So what is sorting? Sorting is a method of arranging group of items in ascending or descending order. So various sorting techniques are what are they? Bubble sort, quick sort, selection sort and insertion sort. Okay. So write fast, students. Completed. Sorting is a method of arranging group of items in an ascending or descending order. Various sorting techniques are bubble sort, quick sort, selection sort and insertion sort. Completed, students? Yes, so completed this one. Write the fifth question answer. Okay. Completed all of you? Okay. Then write the fifth question answer. What is searching? Very, very important question. What is searching? So what is searching? Searching is the process of finding the position of a value within a list. Search algorithm is a step-by-step procedure used to locate specific data among collection of data. So types of searching algorithm are linear search, binary search and binary tree search. Okay. Write fast. Write fast, students. So searching is the process of finding position of value within a list. Search algorithm is a step-by-step procedure used to locate specific data among collection of data. So types of searching algorithm are linear search, binary search and binary tree search. Okay. Completed? Okay, students. So and also second chapter, listen students. Second chapter on 3-mark question. So that answer is not there in your textbook. That also please write it now. Second chapter, first 3-mark question. Okay, second chapter, first 3-mark question. Write it. Differentiate concrete data type and abstract data type. Differentiate concrete data type and abstract data type. Write fast. Second chapter, this is second chapter, first 3-mark question. Second chapter, first 3-mark question. So differentiate concrete data type and abstract data type. So concrete data type, it is a data type whose representation of a data type is known. Next, concrete data type or structures or direct implementations of relatively simple concept. Then abstract data type. So it is a data type whose representation of a data type is unknown. So next one, it offers a high level view of concept independent of its implementation. Okay. So second chapter, first 3-mark question. Write it first. Write first. So after completion of this session, students, today's study portion is this 4th chapter, 1-mark question and all the 2-mark questions. So first question you need to mark in textbook. That remaining 3-mark, 5-mark, everything I'll mark and give from tomorrow's class. Okay, students. So today's study portion is all 1-mark and 2-mark questions plus this second chapter, this 3-mark question also you need to study. Okay, students. So those who got the textbook. So I thought most of the students have the textbook. Some students have got the textbook from your seniors. So there you get the new textbook means also no problem. So anyway you need to mark. So from this chapter onwards I will mark and give for all the question answers. So you should mark and study. Don't waste time, students. So 2-mark questions are not there means you need to write. Okay, students. So you should study thorough. All this today's study portion is 2-mark and 1-mark 4th chapter plus this 3-mark question. Okay, students. Take care. Well, study well. Thank you.